Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever thought about simplifying your life by downsizing your home? Tiny homes offer a unique solution for those who want to live efficiently without unnecessary space. They provide comfort, functionality, and affordability while reducing maintenance and expenses. If you're looking for a home that's practical and stylish, tiny living might be the perfect fit for you. Now, before we get into the details, make sure you subscribe to the Cool Ideas channel because we find the weirdest, wildest, and wackiest ideas so you don't have to. Plus, if you don't subscribe, you might wake up one day in a house that's way too big and full of stuff you don't need. Like that treadmill you swore you'd use. Just saying. All right, let's talk about the Barred Owl tiny home from Rewild Homes, a Canadian builder that believes tiny should still mean livable. And they've done a pretty solid job at making that happen, because this thing is 34 feet 10 3/10 meters long, 10 feet 3 meters wide, and doesn't require you to be a circus acrobat to move around in it. First up, the exterior. Black metal siding with cedar accents, because nothing says modern sophistication like something that looks like Batman's vacation cabin. It's also got a standing seam metal roof, which means it'll handle weather better than your ex handled criticism. Let's step inside. Unlike a lot of tiny homes that make you crawl into a loft like a raccoon looking for snacks, this one has a single-level layout. That means a ground floor bedroom, a walk-through bathroom, and a living room kitchen combination, so you can burn your dinner and watch Netflix at the same time. The kitchen is actually pretty impressive. It's got a full propane-powered cooking range, a deep sink, a full-size refrigerator and freezer, and enough counter space to chop at least 3 onions before you start crying. The eating bar with 2 stools is perfect for people who pretend they live in a fancy loft, but are actually sitting 2 feet, 60 centimeters away from their bed. Speaking of the bed, it's a queen-size setup with a big picture window right in front of it. So if you ever wanted to wake up feeling like you're in a Pinterest post, this is the way to do it. And let's not forget the bathroom. It's got a fiberglass shower, a toilet, and a vanity cabinet big enough to store all the overpriced skincare products you keep buying but never use. The best part? You don't have to climb a ladder to get to anything. No more bumping your head at 2 o'clock in the morning because you forgot you live in a treehouse for adults. It's all conveniently on one level, making it perfect for people who want to downsize without sacrificing their dignity. And for those of you who want more details, we've got a link in the description that takes you to the official product page so you can check out all the specifications without me talking in your ear the whole time. All right, folks, that's the Barred Owl tiny home, a stylish, functional, and spacious tiny house that doesn't make you feel like you're living in a glorified closet. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and consider becoming a sponsor of our channel for just $1 United States dollar.